Good luck, Roger. Thanks for hopping back in. Appreciate you. Let's get a banger. Let's see what we can get. Empty. All right, we've got Baker Mayfield, Jalen Hurts, white out of 75, Patrick Mahomes. Nice patty. There you go. And we've got a printing plate. If I can get it. 1/1 rookie, Trey Sermon. Nice hit there, Roger. Nice 1/1 printing plates. Congrats on that. 1/1. Got blue to 49 vintage moments. And green 3/5 Derek Carr. Boom! Wow, Roger, what a box. 3/5. I will mag that for you. Congrats. My goodness, what's going on with this box? And a rookie, Quiddy Pay. Roger, heating up here. Got Calvin Ridley. Captain Kirk. Out of 249, Josh Allen for the Jags. 249 rookie for the Panthers, J.C. Horn. For the Titans, we've got out of 25, Dez Fitzpatrick. Nice three-colored patch there. 14 out of 25. And we've got, this guy had a heck of a week this week out of 199. RPA triple patch for the Lions, Amon-Ra St. Brown. Nice one there. And last card here for you, Roger. We've got rookie for the Niners, a Elijah Mitchell. All right, another great box there for you. Again, thanks for hopping back in. We do appreciate you, and we'll get these cards right out to you.